Omo se so mo twe nkrofo adwene se so se saa de we ya wo ye enye papa omo nka mama no nko pasisi a na hwade na reaction ashase na eba. But in fixes, there is a law that in every action there is equal and you can say equal reaction to that. Eti say action sia, as say reaction den eba. Eti say ye din na say yankasa na ekoso sa. One thing, this man offered no prophet no, Prophet Kofi Oduro no, gradually no, were indoctrinating Ghanaians. Just say ye bedru baby no, ye be so in discipline in this country. Ye be in discipline because Ghana ha asase so ho. Ye se Nyankopon e na hwe nyina so. Sene Nyankopon ete soro a ye som no no. What the representatives aba. So for the representative of you. I don't know or kanya mi asem ni bi keke. What does it? What can be keke? Wono ana efi se oh, why ye okay, wako Bible school or ye sofo. Fine. But Ghana has say ya ye enhyehyɛ ya ye toaba. Ni yi nipa baako se wono na ndi Ghana nyina anim. Da won hwɛ yen ye Nyankopɔn no. Ye Nyankopɔn no. Because se wanye bibi ye nyina ye betimawu ewo ye man mu ha sei. Enti na ukọ Bible no mu a abrɛ no na yɛse Nyankopɔn atu ne hene. Ne hene na wotu ya wodi si hɔ no ɛte sɛ enne ɛyɛ president of any country. Baby wɔ hɔ no mu a yɛte sɛ wɔmo ɛto aba. Baby wɔ hɔ no mu a ɔno appointe ɛde de ɛkae ka ho. Ana wohwɛ Bible mu a ɔhene bia ni hɔ a yɛyi na yɛ izesa. Tumi wɔ hɔ yi emu odu paawo. Emu odu. Hwɛ emre bia na meka, there is no kingdom in the Bible up to Jesus Christ. Amojangu. So it should tell you, say yes, sister, obi wo tumi, obi eye penny, obi a president. It's not just an easy thing. But this prophet Kofi Oduro, aye na adwene say, wono de obu odi ebu, onfa bi ma ye man penny, ye president da. You can belong to any party. I am not saying say our party A and I say party B, but ye nim say Ghana ha say, hey, obi owo Ghana ha say our nanti bi our party. Only say amanfo ni bi wo no mu a, omo nye kan say party politics. But Kofi Oduro a wo ye sofo a esese ye hwe edisua de. Wo na esese wo kire discipline. Wo na esese wo kire nkofo say ye di mraso. Wo mom why ye too in discipline in this country. Because if say who preacher who tiem enti entiemu nti no chese wo na wo. Hwe 1986 or so ana mitie Pastor Mensa Otabil the preaching. That time who say na ye yegu cassette so ni atoto na ye boni etie any ade. No, Mr. Titie no 1983. Eti those days you know. Yeah, ya call that time mo brown hafo. Ye bokumasi bia no ma toto sa cassette no. Na ye de ye. Na the cassette bakwa ye tie ye. Womo ye international organization bi. Aye, so be said na mama award yi. Pastor Mensa Otabil winning the best preacher in West Africa. Early 80s. Best preacher. And Pastor Mensa Otabil or Honum, or that's why we preach. One case was preaching from that time. I just want when they say you went here, or no, and they on one. Prophet Kofi Oduro. Makacho se wakasano wankasa ye. Makacho se wani nso adie. Umu adie. Hwe edana metie no. Woko OKFM. No aya no aka kwasia wo Bible mu no akwa bie Proverbs no akwa bie yi. Enya mo asofo na mo se Old Testament no yi wo hunti ane ade New Bible. Na de ntina kwasia na wo New Testament mu na ya wo nkoto. Owura fia Matthew 5:22. Waka bibi fa kwasia ho. Wo se onipa biara a wo bebie wa no aka kire wo nua se wo ye kwasia no. Osra himamu unkobi. Oda wo hwe me bia wo ti ofie wo office anase bibisa wo kita Bible bie ene Bible nya na wo phone so bie na kan waka wase obi obasi ne nua raka ase kire okwase anase onipa hu osoro himamu unkobi. And this is the man our friend who prophet wo gina ayisu sa wo preach now the man 30 minutes obewie no wa use the word kwase abe 20 times and obi ye kwase to ana wo se wo yesi ana wo tonyom na yesi wo kwase to ni ne kai ka ho wo yesa no ma nyina. Adam Gogu, it's not a beef. May means that any beef. That beef, no, I'm not part of it. I am saying something very fundamental. And who hear the whole nation? And who hear the whole nation? As you say, yeah, politics. Nebia, can, politicians, yeah, ubia wo nasa ba wokan, any ade. So, ubia nim say, yeah, politics. This is a man of God. You need to teach the principles of God. And yes, Nyankopon enye saka. Nyankopon, yes, God is a God of discipline. Na, yegina yenim say, ye president or ye doctor ni. Wanye obi a wo hwe apomuden ho ene ade. Wo de de wo ko school, ni okoko sua ye a wo de ye adwuma ye law. Yenim say or ye lawyer. Ye wa doctor for ho. A doctor for na nkasa nsusu kra wo ho no mu no. Ye wo omo ye scientist omo hwehwe enuama mu, omo ye say ye wo lab technicians, ye wo nurse for ni dey kan. They all come together and arrive at certain things. Enti yare bi wo ho no na say omo hwe kra na enya nipa baako adwene. Omo nyina kekasa no ma wo nyina bom no omo dey aden, omo dey ayadwuma. Enti wo mam ye hu say bebi a yaduru no. Enya Ghana nko asem ne ye kan o. Wiasia fana nyina. The most powerful country on this earth, America, omu huso. UK for omu huso. Germany for omu huso. Hey, na Ghana de nga ye kan ga ye ka hubi. Ebi ato yen. Can you see look? Let us do this. I thought that man for say, lockdown. It's not easy. Yeah, your system here in this country. Ya kase shedema ko baby obeden wadidi. Abroje de okase obi shedema. Restaurant for sure restaurant omo ye yi. Ye wo few people bia omo be delivery. Eti eno ansa wo shawo dem. Wo si o me pe fried rice and chicken. Na wo de wo card na say mobile money na wo de atuaka. Ote hwa de abele o. De aduane asikwan no. Na waba befa wade na odi call inside no akwa didi bibi bia wo pe bia no wo betima hye wo dem 1 year awu sabeka essence systems no so eye kamenti aban pese wo ma obia bibi kakra di to aduane adi a obia sabeka ne de because system no eye kama obia account number obia bibia e wo system mu Ghana hase ye be yeden yakase obi anhye dem a wo be yeten and wo live Eti adie jinsem. President ba wasilo. Figures na ba bonte no eye so alarming. Eye so alarming. Eti asramu. Public events. Bibi is a wedding. Now say how many weddings there was already them. Nancy, Saudi wadi 2 for more. Weddings are who do a year no, emu 80%. Ensi was already them. A month for see the garden, ye no was a ye ni ne ka ho, obi kra de fie no wa hyehyɛ hodom, na sofo aba no aba beden, no aba bebresi. Eti weddings, nightclubs, beach, ene de ka ho nyina no. Ye say ye de soma to so. Ensi se obia etimi eye sade no. Na asori nso no ye hye mo se mokɔ asori a munni emra na ye de ato ho no so obia be wura asori dem ho no won horo ne nsa won make sure so ahye nose mask no wo de sanitizer ayayi wo wura asori dem ho a ye ntete ye mu da ye make sure say bibia ye dan aye kama ana o kan sa asemu yi sabe President Bonia waye den. First time I kasi akọ lockdown. Obi se woni de wo pie akọ abonte kra akọ hwe se obi ani abonte ana. Security for years or more enforce law kakra ye nyina ye hu ye. Send the media for ese efa asem no ana obi apie a adenti na ese bia obu nipa no adenti na ese opanish nipa no ene de kai ka ho. Nafe ama sabiama no aginsem. President kasa semu ya. Sofu ya ofren ho prophet. Eye prophet Kofi Oduro. Eba ya president nyani okan. Na oye hypocrite. Chese oye nyachum. Now God will punish hypocrisy. Hey! So for onzro nyamiu. Medie sabe Bible do menimu. But minim one thing. When you read Romans chapter 13 from verse 1 going, e ka sembi. Wase mo ma kra nyina amre bro mo ho ase. Enhye tumi biara ewo anu nyamase. Na tumi biara ndi ho gye efri onyame. Eti omo ni tumi ni di asie no, omo ne onu nyankopon ende di asie. Prophet Kofi Oduro. Mediama kan. Nana Gagra, wo kwashe na obisa de inquisition. When the update of the COVID, I will be say about president din. When the update. You see, it is a obeka say government should take responsibility. Government cannot say nah, will be a kwan say omonkonko ye political rallies. No omonkonko to aba ye inauguration. Edi de kai ka ho, edi na ma de na koso. Look, are you telling me say because of that intino? Your constitution no ma enye adwuma, right? Ye njai na ye nya constitutional crisis. Sa na opesa ochire. Ah. Opedi ogasare de enye de ba kokra o. Enye de ba kokra. Na ubenya Ghana force so a papa no wakasa yie pa. Yo. Monkoso pa. Ose usu. I don't think Senka is Obaso Kraba for the first time. For you to write that thing. I don't think Senka is Oba me page in Sukra. So if you think it's needless, why should you come there? You are one of the people Omuma Ghana Yawo problem Kesiapano. You are one of them. Yama region achichiriyen I indoctrinating you to a point say chese yɛmfa mmara nyɛ adwuma. Eti obi timi ka sɛ medware mehu nsuo na medware no mu nsa nsuo no nom mobɛyɛ kama na nipa gyekire no mo sa no mo nom. Israel ana nyamesom ɛhyɛ aseɛ. You cannot go and do that. Israel sɔfo biara ni Israel prime minister ebe kasa sɛ COVID nhyehyɛ ni a obeba bɛka kyerɛ prime minister and say oyɛ hypocrite. He will not live. I'm telling you. I have been to Israel before. Ujina Jerusalem, uhu Bethlehem say, enso untimi nkɔ hɔ. Wonim ne ndia. Omo akɔ Israel, a omo yɛ yi no, they know. Say Israel prime minister akasa. Why? Say ye can say so fu bi be sɔre agina aba bɛka sɛ wɔyɛ hypocrite. I mean, sasem na wɔka no. Wo ba ɔsa wutu a wogina se a say needless no. Sɛ menim wo age. Sɛ wawo na sɛ wo ba. Na sɛ wɔhwɛ sa papa na ɛsɛ wo hu sɛ straight away. Akwala no ye dua bibi ɛwɔ no mu. Sɛ peni kasa ɛsɛ wutimi gye na no si nkyɛn. Me hu no ye. Me hu no say or a political preacher. Say what they study the preaching or a political preacher. You will be yes, you have right to also add a voice. But as soon as you obey, be say all the time, no, I am proud of my Bishop Ajinasare. I am proud of him. Last be or Kasembi, now a man for say one can ye. The following a year or just say or polish no kama afi ubia who say yes, this is a matured man of God. So on yet no. The meka jinani say asofo ni nyina no mo groups are mo joining cancers ne ho ne keka ho. Mesrem. Asofo mpenifo mo ma yenhwe bibi. Me wo ayi bi wa ha say am pese yehwe. I'm say Ghana National Charismatic Churches Council, say Council of Churches, NACCC. Now, a honum, I'm say National Association of Charismatic Churches, something. Now, oko honumwa, sa papa ya soli. Oko sa website na, and number 2, Alambasta Church, House Chapel. Action Chapel na FS Alambasta ediso na edididiso sa am say omoye no according to alphabetical order and edididiso na me hwemu ase me hu aya na but me ma sorry nka ho okọ Perez wo Pentecostal Council e honum any ade na sa council we no am say Bishop that Mers ana order no me nim say order so Eda noa, ye wompenifo ahodo bebre amo honum. You need to call this man to order. You need to call this man to order. Because the warrior no, emfa kwan mu. Ye can the first 20-30 good pastors in this country, Nedi Imam. Yenim si abe Duncan Williams mo Bishop Ajinasare Pastor Mensa Utabedagwo amsene wenu ya be bobo abasa Kofi Oduro udi imam. Uchachi how many branches? What it sano how it's a hifa ana oye Samuel Mawe. Then you come and then insult the president. Ni aja to honum say, hey, why nyame ni panti. Me mama be di watem. Me mama me kasantiao. Bet me say wasem na wo kaye no ankyere buo. President of a nation. I waka se ene Sabre ya ye kase wakase obia nkwahye dem na wo wudi America na nkwahye wo dem ada. Na constitution ni say wo duty say wo boga na ni bia ho ban. Na yare yi ba no the measures abeto ho no ma wo so a hypocrite. Openi go fiodo. Umuade. Na makache say Sunday because of Wuntino Sunday me man grofo aba wasoro aba beti. So one retract I apologize to a year Tuesday expect a press conference from me and I will call all the authorities to call you to order. Menkasi ebechu, menkasi ebe yo bibiao. But I saw from penny for cancers ne Christian cancer ne ye kaka ho nyina no. They need to call you to order. Because all conscientizing Ghanaians to resort to indiscipline. Why are we nyina eno ano no? Who percent Ghanaians resort to indiscipline? Nanka president akasa, oh, president yet near Madrid Kakran be say and say to the point he say you are hypocrite and God will judge you. Hey, Papa we pa bobo there. Share. Makachro, me say, uti ye nyina ne say Akufo-Addo and the ye president. Uti ye nyina no. Ekwaya ba ko na ka wa obohu. Kasabre ka obohu se ni omu roll left and right. Kompeti watema ma wa raho. Wodim. But we are not going to do that. Yeah, the big nyina ne say retract the statement and then apologize to the president. He said, oh, friend is all a hypocrite. We are not going to allow that to happen. We are giving you time. So why nya nature se boapayo? And yes, kokra man fere se obesi uhuni so awon so men fere se odiasa wa beta so. Aditi na me kasa nyina from 3 days ago, me kasa nyina no, me say me mesha me kasa, me kasa emama no enye den entiawo. Me nkonko di watem. But ye twe wadwene si so. Se wo ye nyame nipa a wo se wo ye nyame sofo a sasem we ya me ken. Esese to wakoma so na wo kasa president. I am sorry for that. How can you say that? Are you God? She we are see how you we. She we Nyankopon a ye Nyankopon ne wo Supreme Court o hun governor dey do. Judges no dey do. You have not appeared before them. Nka wa ho obohu se ne esete. Wo gina omonimu a wo hu se ne sunsum eho eye durufa. On ma mebo. Bo betima ka se kokodam for life. And you go. Sankrofoni nyina ehye papa yase. Wo mudi obuo emano. Asofo mpanimfo a mabubo omudi nyina ede obuo ema president. Wodi a wo se wo so sofo ema Ghana hada. Eti president kase bia oba bedi atem. Meanwhile president kase Ghana for emu so free. Na wodi America na wo bu free. Na wodi America na wo bu free. Yet it electricity so now when you age now was sunlight. I don't know the one guy so a hypocrite. Share. We are not going to allow that. Also, may say retract it on your platform. Then apologize to the president. He say, what friend so a hypocrite? Ayatem Didier. Bible no. Baby a SU2 no wakotu hodom no wakan hwe wokotu Proverbs a yebekotu Matthew e de amon so wokotu Proverbs yebekotu Matthew e de amon e na maka no say yes wokwa ya say so kwasia e wo Proverbs wo bekeka ba woka oba Matthew hodom a chapter 5 hodom a wo de wokan a e ka kire wase obi obesi ni nua se oye kwase bia osoro ahemamu wonko bi count to number of Kwasia Wesim Crofo up to now. Count to. There's a heavy hole ben wa. Ah, and there's only a key. Look at how they go. Eh? And bra coffee did mu yet tin. Somewhere June one more say, you honum, say April ho, say June ho baby, be refi the actual month. Last year. South Korea, ye didn't have no money na ekokoye ye can say, or moye elections. Corona, a gene mupan, South Korea, and the first country who do elections. Yes, so Omoji meeting or who do election. Because they have a constitution. There will be a crisis. Who will call himself a president? I'll be manage our situation. I come for I was in you. Say, yeah, Sukra ija him. So, Yesua ija him. Yare na nodding. As I say, you know, you share who's ye. Now, who suffer Nankasakran? What's already them? What I should say, Ubiasha Max, now the ye can't say. Camera to almost. Why are they? What's already them one so sad? Who Sophia Wuka say, she said your Wokasa, Utiatim. Casa, Wokasa, one Tiamugrana into Sue flew at no, a banquet and kete. Nasan you tie, wouldn't dropless, a hoodwa ever. You have no idea. Eh? You have no idea. Kasan what tie, na wo tugum sa, na wo tugum. E bi beki kankro for max, wadi na no ka, ninsa ka max no, eyi, wadi ninsa ka nani, anasa ne hwene, wa infected no. Menkasa wo corona, but it can be so. Now one serious thing na wo kan ya, emma me twa sa di we so. Ma shed that full video no asi. What's it then? What's it coronavirus no enkokra na ekunkum mo. Should I say you are ignorant about that? Enkwala ne kum you can say enkokra na ekunkum mo. Eti wo kan kwakwa kase chese Akufo-Addo ya kokra. Enkokra fo de kumomo. Na wo de mo nkoso ebe kunkum ye de ye mrantie. Na chese wo Kofi Odo de o ya brantie. Eti wo de corona no entimi nkum. Yankopon hira pa. Why? Yankopon hira pa. She obi bi ode na no si Akufo-Addo. So ana Akufo-Addo bewu, ana Akufo-Addo be se ne nyina Akufo-Addo hwe. Wo hwe omo ayie. Wo hwe. Emrantie ne mabawa no moye ana Akufo-Addo ese Akufo-Addo hwe di nyina. Akwa bi o madam fo ntimi mpese meka story. Kasam to Akufo-Addo so ya. Akufo-Addo ku ne yire ani na otwemienu no ono an yire wu. Atu de fa wa no si president so. Hey. Sia. Chese odo corona be ku no ejesa. Odo ya branch e enti ubenyi ache. God. Nyankopon ene mani pankon. Nyankopon ne hwe nyina so. Nyankopon. What did the hwe nyina so? And you preaching to out as you. You should know. Share one American preacher be a very great pa me refilling. Chese asofo wo kromo nyina obi ate ne nkape na obi aya let obi atie no. Wo ye good. Wo tu kwan ono wo ne private jet wo tu kwan akwaba Rome. Wone ne yire ne mbanyi na omo awu. Ah, nyame nipa okwa ye nyame adwuma wo. Wate atofo mo awu. Amunu mu hono mo a. Etu do ya brantia. Yo koso. Akufo-Addo de ye nyina yenim. So ya kokra. But Nyankopon na boss robo asase no. Obehwe Akufo-Addo so ama Akufo-Addo ani ache. Ama Akufo-Addo ahwe Ghana fo nyina so ama bibia akoso kama. Bibia be koso kama. Etu de koso. Yesramo. Asofo mpedifo. Yesramo. Monfa mo anuntum. Yɛse ɛyere so a kafɛse paa sɛ mo ayere so a ne akɔsɔfo sɔfo kasa wɔ sɛ Nyankopɔn ti wobɔ sɛ no bia ayɛ din no bia gye atum ne yɛkɔ yɛdim na nɛ wo se president ababɛma update wonte aseɛ sɛ wɔ sɛ ade no kɔsoro asifu sɛ nnura pɛ ne hyɛ aseɛ kɔsoro Oveni umwadi umwadi ejo tipeni president ana waja anase wona enye wo maame ko a wochim wo anase sabi wo papa onye nse wo maame enkwane waja ne wona ni ehu se peni bia obi bia wodi wanim a woye peni wodi akase bia wontimi nwo woye wodua peni kura only 60 years old only 60 years obehwe na bia me ne wa na wo ayi bia wa chan mi ameye 2 years bia na se biza zom etese bible ni se di waja ne wonani na wona ayeden aware e wasase so we yesofo you know and for the year say Ghana is concerned ye nyina ye papa ene Akufo-Addo ene John Mahama ne papa ene Akufo-Addo because ene Akufo-Addo ene ti akonya no so Akufo-Addo ne ti akonya no so etie nyina we look up to him na woso oye hypocrite eti sofu dro Kofi Oduro se wakofie na oba a wawo no wama instruction bi say yi na ogina wanimu hwe wanimu anu okase wo ye hypocrite. How will you feel? How will you feel? Ne ehame eye indiscipline war inculcating into the people of Ghana. He what can you na sorry for no move bomb nsam no move bomb nsam say eish Nyankopon fire bone ncheye wuti asori dem wudi o mampani atem na sorry ma eyeden e bomb nsam wo how ya brand yen ya brand fodu yen etine na no woka no mo nti ase tie I am telling you enope ena na encourage wo no wakati I'm telling you no me say droplets are na aircon no na nya agro na what the koso kase president ye hypocrite etin nsem a waka no what the wonfa anya asem when they start hating your church members obehu nipa dodo abeba ababeto correction am obehu nanu ya president kase ya ye lockdown kakra ma ye nkwa sorry na wo kam adentina wanye ni antina ho say ye easy sa adentina wanye ni antina ho in fact Ghana for mumma yen sorry na yen kasa ewo ni die ne obuo kwan so papa yi wa anya ni yie mum yen kan kire no Akufo-Addo onye Nyankopon de ma ye wo no ne ma me ne papa wo no na office enye Nyankopon adom de wodo so Akufo-Addo go be president hwe circumstances so akọ election severally and so oba be president it should tell you how Nyankopon edo no fa so wo ye nyame nipa eti wo ye nka wasem be say I've given you up to Sunday in your church service as a set wo kasa asem we upon second thought, you should have a way of dealing with it. But you need to apologize to the president. One yes, sir, may say I am going to hold a press conference on this issue. And no be a bigger forum. Then the public be then would deal with this issue at that level. Yen transe e masa indiscipline enkoso. Uye nyaminipa. You are to lead. You are to show the way. You can say Claire Nana okay o said Udin no crash a CDO account. So a 7 I made delay with if you are not interested, go off, please. If you are not interested, go off. I am begging you. Pardon. Me odi matter my family. But you cannot touch the president and then we'll keep quiet. We cannot. We cannot. Say political person be and other Papa Kasa ye say LDC for Kasada, CPP for Kasada, Ubia Kasada, Anambwa. What is Ubia kwa comment that? No. Yani ya ye want to say ye politics. Eti ye wo ye kanu political talks. It's there. It's accepted. Wona wo ye sofo. People are looking up to you. You don't do that. You don't do that. Share Germany. Nientia. Womu ye discipline bibia ekoso eye ewo ho ne se. Ya wo akola no. Na ye de emra no ahya akola no mu. Eti akola no nim se sadie we yenye. Wonim se woni akola nam ewo Germany. Na wadru kwa ho crossing assault red abani pa se ontimi nko. Wo hwe kwanu mu ka bia ama be 500 meters away ka bia ama, you don't have the right to cross. Se wo pani no nko agrade a wasam ye ayi kakra. Se akola school going age eka wo ho. Now they no cross wa age. We are ho na wo people's quality me jo people no twam ni antipoto. Because you're so corrupt akola no mind a odinyin. Eti hwe okwa brochira kraman apie. The kraman no nko akra no dru kwan ho be onim se esese ofa zebra crossing so. Odru onu no hu se red no pe kraman be gina ho a so green na no atiasim no okọ. Enkraman yo e wa brochire. What do we see in Ghana? The bane of Ghana today is our region. Our region. Our region. Among for Tennessee. What just said, so for be preacher, would you now say yes? Because last Sunday be a sorry. That is so for preaching. I know go far social media near there them say oh preacher what chance you meeting na be say the way I open my mind that day what now just say what you say asem wa ma hu nuama bia this one kasa. That is what we need. Yen chire Ghana for the SSA den ye. Ma yen chire Ghana for in discipline. No. Eti Sofu Kofi Duro. We say coming Sunday you need to stand on your altar where who can say president a hypocrite because Obama update you have to be there and retract and then apologize to the president. You need to do that. It's a must. It's a must. Nana okay. One share me broke war from me so. That is it is my war. It is my war. And this is not politics. I'm talking about indiscipline. So you're true Ghanaian, you should be concerned about that. You should be concerned about that. And it's in Yatanasia Sabe. Former President Mahama, Ochemi Penny. And she said, Metnase at my private my too insulted. I can't do that. I can't do that. I no more follow me pano. Answer no bonse manuatrano. Let us say, Obi the one about too. So, because Samemeti Honum, yeah, politics, yeah, discussion. Now, dear Kufa, I mean, that's why I dear ko. And no, it is politics. I am talking about a religious leader. And for that matter, a prophet. You see, what can Wama Ghana anya problem no? What can? Because what is so of won't if you asibium. Won't if you say, Mr. Officer won't me here. I mean, back off and then go baby. What I'm saying is that Prophet Kofi Odro must apologize to President. Kofi Odro must retract that he said President you're hypocrite because wababa ma update. Aka say yare no ekosoro yen hwe ehu ye yen share mask yen huru yensa ne yen sanitize yen social distancing. Eti o ye hypocrite no because wa makwa am ya kwakoto aba wa makwa am ya kwakoye inauguration edi ne kaka ho. Hwe se wo tie ni statement kra why na wo mo fa ballot paper wo parliament na mo we no. Hey prophet, we are disgrace. You are a disgrace. Because what ye asie dunketia, ama asie dunketia say obi for ballot paper and na no worry. No worry me you did that. Meanwhile, ye gina ye hwebi. Carlos was in max. No one shed those marks. It's what the for nose mask na no worry and because I would teach obi kantino. What gina property so can say parliament obi for ballot paper no worry no one spread there ye. We a disgrace. With all due respect. And you should say fine. Maybe ebrebi ameka. Yankopon ane edan no. Yankopon ane esre se wo ma yen kwatenten. Oh, a problem with also Bempa. Kona koko condemn no why. Bepacho. Kona koko condemn no. Me asemo aba. A sofu bi echre Ghana for indiscipline no. Eno ho asem na meka. Eti menka obi asem. Asofo Ghana doso pa. Sofu ba ko pe na meka na asem. Na sa sofu ba ko no a meka na asem no. Eye na asem a waka. Atemu a wadi president. Sa wo show Ghana for indiscipline. Eno ho asem na meka. Eti wo ya you are on Facebook. So Facebook we down so kan wo de. Ana mebwa. Ka wo de. Eti mesre se Ghana for moma yenyina yemfa yano entum na bibia entimi enkoye. Me what I am seeking to do and say papa no ebeka bibi na sorry mba hu se oh papa adwene ba no ho so kra no watimi aye bibi afam this guy I need to block you because when you're ready to I am going to block you. Now okay, I'll block you. You will not have access to my wall again. What here? And ansafona egusu no 8 ye. Eti ye why ye free honum na ye de yen hu ne ye be. Enti ne me seek to do ni say sofo no ebema na sorry emma. Ehun say look, we as Ghanaians we need to be disciplined. President is one person. Ministers say you omo yes ministers do omo ye 126. What sorry ma do say ministers no, right? Eti ade debate my individuals and ye beba mu and ye ba benya that collective effort. to deal with any issue in Ghana. Eti misrong. I don't think say near official free president to hono. Utimi ye bi ma won sorry ma. I don't think so. I don't think so. Eti, you are also to lead. Make sure. Say bibia koso. Share. Obi say easy za. Enye izo. Enye easy. That sabi ma we no. You see, you say it is always good to be bold and fearless. But at times it's better to be coward. During that statement, it is always good to be bold and fearless. But at times it is better to be coward. And you go Fiodro. I don't want to ever Morgana ho. I don't want to be to Magasatiamu. David. But the person make catch what they say. We are not going to accept your insult on president. This is not the first time. My monitor watch a na times the way president ekasa president yem the way obese to phone enye etiesro yase ne opese amanfo eyema no esi se wo yesa bi ema afoforo eti misrawa yes ena Solomon ekano se Bible no kra ekase or kasa about respect would respect na se wo ona wawofo a boshe ewum wase ema wo yeden wonyinche sa samwe menya sofo menya prophet me just an ordinary person. I'm sorry. Omo anu makenka me Bible. Kakra me ni mumu no. Sofo Kofi say one retract is asemwe. I apologize to president. Obenya problem. Nyankopon be mo wa sorry no kura. Take it from me. Say one patch wa Nyankopon be ma wa sorry no. That ube tietie mo anu obi asori afiri wa sorry honom no oko. Be humble and eat your humble pie. And tell president to say, you are sorry for calling him a hypocrite. Say that. Why just idea? You ever go jump before so you can't say 6 months so say electricity in ever more train in full. Ensure I will normally free in I will be trading in full. If you don't respect the president, I can offer you no. What is your bad old Jamaica waje? Ayawode, oh no, oh so can you also air condition, utim, ayawode. What buy on fat taxi be amre mo say muntia, no aka say, I didn't know the taxi brain. Ye nim ranoso, because a man for woo, yare no kosro, ye hospital sigina ye ma. Hey, and that's a Edra, and will be catch him say. Yeba mu 2017 custom penia ye no commander ewo tema habo ye friend no can say Mantikojo enra no bi catch him say wawu because of COVID. I was so shocked. Hey, papa o jare na so kama chese wo koba eye me nwanwa de e shoko me kra. I have been a national security coordinator. Hey, what be catcher me say papa ebe koso just say ebe me engine to muda. No want to do no kakreja ye nyina enim say Ghana dey na problem ye malaria o treat malaria you say we na ni ban ho so a papa iko. Hey, hwe near etutu amanfo. Sabe, despite group of companies eyo mo ma okwan ema wo preachi ewo mo TV so ni wo mo radio so despite company baako the manager baako ya oko wo ya gogora Kofi Dro wo chance a branch no bebre o oko eti wuti ho no mo se kufu adu ya kokra nti no yare no kunkum nkokrafo yo krom ha sei Yankopon a chese ono na ye the ultimate judge no obe judge wo ni president. So say God will judge a president because of a hypocrite. And yes, sir. In the Bible, minim say nipa mienu bi kwa sorry dem so boko bompai. Ba ko koy o se Yankopon me nsem fata kra se nka me ba wanim. Ma ye bone hwa me bone so na jemi. Ba ko so sorry Yankopon me dia wonim se me ye kama me ye trinini bitua me tight me ye bibia. Babo mo na mo kire yo. Yesi Yankopon ehwe ni oka so ye dibonefo no. Oje no. Ni oye trinini no opamo no. Sorry them enya trinini for ne ko ho. Ana onim za. Oye so for na se onim se dia na akakakra. Enye atrinini for ne kwa sorry them. You know. Yesu Kristo ama trinini for ana me boa. Ensem na o preach no this wo. Me ba ka che say, look. Share 101. Oh, information me there. Ma ka che me say, look, that is not my interest. My interest is not to bring the man down. My interest is for him to apologize to the president. For people to know, say, hey, ye penny for say didn't need mom. Say I no phone more as you see to me patch our. And then my interest. That's all. That's all. I am not here to bring you down. I will never do. Huh? For me, you receive a quiet now. What are you? You know. But it is not my interest. Menya so. Menya. Eti, so for confidro. Ewie, the make catch one say. And someone will cover president who make sure say Sunday we will be 7 sign no wa panic chow I want sorry mananim. One yes sir me on Tuesday I am going to hold a press conference on this issue. Now a sorry penny for the groups National Association of Charismatic Churches Council and the Omomkai Kahun our member no me share Sempeni for anti-me amfro. Ama wa apologize to the president. Be ye press conference no area. On the near who say we are all ready to descend. We are all ready to descend. And would descend heavily. By yes, in discipline now, person will plant it in this country. No, you get the other side of it. You get it. Yes, sir. Asofo ye need that so say muna mo beboa ama o man na eden akosoro. Muna mo beboa ama o man na akosoro. But you don't come and be teaching people in discipline. No. We are not going to accept that. We are not. Etienne kwana cha say dabe na start preaching yempo. Dabe. Question the man now, yeah, I will say, Matia, sorry. Eh? You was off for Ghana how? I saw for Mudim or Mokasa who say yes or Makasa. And Yentiamuno. And Yentiamuno. Ghana for the Sabe, a toda, Yamahuna, yes, also. So, dear General. Everyone is also. Na ye dear children, ye, and president, you are hypocrite now for bombs. Hey, Yankopon from one in Chamuati. Yankopon and fa mo born in Chamu. Mo Solomon at the 1 Timothy chapter 2, verse 1 and 2. What ya ba? I kasa about honor. Nidie I am for my penny for. Nidie. What oh, and na he kwasia o Bible mo can Proverbs so ni ade ade. So for ya ka Matthew Susubi. Why? Ya ka Matthew Susubi. Mekai, I was watching you the first day, and I'm catching my wife and say, look, this kind of sense of we heaven in NCO. And I say, I said, I'm making, and I'm say, what am I for Bible? And I'm making, and I'm saying, some okay, what about kind of say, brother Sammy, maybe the issue be no worker. Yes, I mean, umwadie, because you to no can is out. I was sorry, demo. And just say, you're to radio sumbo. With Jina Puppet, so no, I can't question too. Hey, but see that day, or you so question more than 15 times. And I'm saying, no, this man will not go to heaven. And I'm in far Bible. And I'm in Matthew chapter 5, verse 22. And I'm in Cave, and I'm saying, yes. The Bible no can say, this a Bible, one semono, and ya semwa, and dear Bekoba Bidia. Then this man will not go to heaven. He's a candidate for hell. I don't regret that too. Say nyamiasem. As someone Bible naka. Say we so nu akwasia enya dia obetima ko heaven. Then what sorry. Nyango pompe arrogance o. Anything was obi obema no hunsu bia na ye bre na se. Me say one pa president achewa nyango pon kasa be bre wase. Wote hwa no wasori na bo se to. No waji wani so. Emre bi atwa mu Abrante bi sorry dear friend Apreku my daughter. Edura ya na ono na timi carry the service life for radio so na mamfo di America. Eni ade no bu bufa so sa. Egozi zen. Etimi de me imagine ni. And eye enhye emawo se osofo wo beka se president asemo a meka editi awo no banka ne ye matwe asan keke mayi free na wa sori mana no mugina ho na no mubo mu nsam ma no omunsam mu nsam se ye papa yi chese wa kire se oye matured person wa kire se chese oka bibi na se anko ya otimi hu eyeyi na fe ye the discipline ehye enkrofo mu eno adama enawie yi mede nkomo yi atoa so. But I am assuring you se wanye wampa president chew ewo wasori mananim Tuesday expect the press conference. The press conference ni bia Abo say yes. Ya be kodi ye pa. Na hodom de be kire asofo. Say obi ye sofo na so ye arrogant nipa wo ye. Sofo bia ni hodom a na menipa bia ni hodom a wo ye arrogant. I am telling you. Yes, ukonya mifia there is peace. Ahobrase. Mwana ana moka fruit of a ye deben. Your holiness, arrogance in gahu. Anameboa. Arrogance in gahu. It is a president akasana se. We say when the president in yadwin, it will be dinner temwa. Mecha umanya nkopon. But assassin so I say there, as is upper president at all. What twe wasem the sign up on cho one yepa there no the be face opa. Because ye chacho honumwa, the next of us so be the same thing. The next one be the same thing. Na fa chinsem. Hwe se Ghana say ye timi so nsem so ananwa ma chinsem. Hwe obi yare. Yare ya wo yare wo hu se doctor pe e de beti masa yare no. Yes yesunsum. Na so menko hospital. No oti hwa no awu. Obi anya ne hwe. Amanfo a awu because of asofo no, you have no idea. Obi anya diabetes, the sugar kosoro, ese se wo fa dro di control. Ese o ehunhum yare. No what you ne no atwahwe no awu. No awu. Ese se yen ka ho asemunti no. Obia eye no afa no ho adi anu woko just like that. Besramo, the fruit of the spirit no eka ho brase e kan mo example okronkron ye ana asumdwe odo ene ne eka keka ho wanka arrogance wanka temudidie ene ne eka keka ho enti prophet Kofi Oduro ese se obro ho ase na wo withdraw statement no na pa president acho me se wan panic me no di besi ani okrom hase yenti ase. All I want to achieve, and they say there should be discipline in the country. We don't want indiscipline. We don't want it. Yentimi. Dabi. The late Reverend Asante Anjoy. Now, we chairman of your Council of Elders. Last be. Na president ko baby say ya. Na meka no me say ohun papa no ash the way I was bu no mu etia like I say hey just say me hwe ni din I'm say hey so wan fa ne say wono na ye leader ntino obeye ne opebia tapi obu odi ma papa ne that day me sua de bebre ewo mu Monsieur Adie bebre wo mu. Hwe ya mame Elizabeth Ohene. Papa ihu na uhu chese ebuode na nua meti ni ejanam si I see entia. Chese wonu no ye president no. Abrasia eya no wo. Okaya there was national event bi. Obi echi na president asofo no banana president asori agina ho no hwe ni dia ode mamo asofo hwe ni dia ode mamo because we yesofo nti president akasa o ye hypocrite God will judge you. Hey, oh sofo umuade sabe wani mie Kaunti min kasa semwe. Wo kasa no, wonim se camera sisi usuo. Tu yo bi ona bia nka wo kasa semwe. Ana sofo no hufuo no mo ye wode de obeka. Koso neka. De dia nyankopɔ beka se wa ende. Wa sore no, ma Jeffrey winsam no. That day ubehu. Enye wo eni sofo a waba Ghana wo. Asofo wo Ghana papa. Pastor Mensa Otabe started so wo preaching. Am say next wo say primary school say middle school. Am say na wo ho. Wa preacher babisine. Oda so preaching. O brand ho ase boko. Ajiansare started so wo preaching no. Na wo hefa obre no ho ase Duncan Williams mpenifo akese omo wo honum a wo mu yanyamedwuma president kasa omo bu omumu hwe 31st yi kan say watch night ye kwa sorry na eduru yi ye bonyum kakra sofo no stop here because the excitement joy obiesa ehwa no o stopo ade no wase ye yapon obi ankwatena se ye monyum no biem so because aden obetima ja amomasa but wonim say president akase yenye sadi we eti wonko eden onko buso eno ade yeka eti enu anom Ghana fo moma nyina yemfa yano yema yano nya baako da ye hu se yenya problem a bebi a ye bedwane akọ eye ya sofo ho de je omukasa kire yen a yetie na se sofo entimi enkasa yie na obeya so brachie president kasa no obegina no awofom adi na temo a ensisi yesoso sa sofo no so mumma ye nyina yemfa ya no entum ne yenkanche papa ne se wankasa yie na ni nso ade wontimi endi Ghana president atem eti omra bonten ewo na sorry dem honom a embepa chew aduanom ami se yajeje correction wie ne de osum no ba wie eti ebeda mu nyina ase na said mesha ase a medi kan no you are free o pese o video ni odi beye bia you are free to do it but put my name there. Don't add my family. Medin the hopes in your V adoye. Period. So the video we go to baby. Now the my family attach here. I am going to see you. That one, take it from me. What the two baby are now, what the my family attach it, I will see you. Get me Sramu. You are free to use it, whatever you want to use it for. And no problem. But what I'm saying, good. I'm say Yama quotation the baby 1 Peter 2:1-3. Was say submit yourself for the Lord's sake to every to every woman institution, whether sorry yani style honum, but 1 Peter 2. Is it 1-3 or 13? 1 Peter 2:13 or 1-3. One fa yina nche ho yentino. Ya behwe. Me ame fam Bible a mebie na makan. Eti eno ne ade a ya de ekọ yi. Esese obi atimi esubmit ho. Ewo awurade enti ema opipia. Na sa oya wa agene se wo de so for mu nyina mo hyemrase o. So for bia ni hono mo so no one day ode no ho so mo de mo te say ye na ewo man no mu ye gina ye hyemrase ye kasa obi ankoda wodi America okwakoda bi ene ne kai ka ho eti mesro memma ho so wo dia say what is former president Mahama kan bibi no obi ayedin doesn't mean say wono obetima ba beka bi wontimi meka bi wono nyamedwuma na wo ye. You are not into politics eti yade ade ato ho nhyehyeye COVID protocols update a president be mai John Mahama ntimi nka se ono oye yinti no onni so obedi so oye o man papa obedi so eti wo sofo no wo tumi a wo se wo de president de ben